So hey guys, Let's here. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make your own brush cleaner. So all you're gonna need is a container to put your brush cleaner in it. I'm using this container. It's like a conditioner container, you know, but it's empty. It has a little bit of conditioner on it, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna use it. Anyways, I'm also gonna need a liquid soup. I'm using this one from Pink, Victoria's Secret. You're also gonna need alcohol. Not alcohol, I'm sorry. Alcohol. And shampoo. And that's it. So, oh, and also conditioner. Conditioner. So, first of all, you're gonna put a little bit of conditioner inside your container. I already have some in it. So, yeah. Then you're gonna take the shampoo. Then you're gonna take the shampoo and you're gonna put a little bit of shampoo in it. Okay, then you're gonna put a little bit of water inside of the container. Okay, you're gonna take your soup, put a little bit. And the alcohol. Okay. Then you're gonna close your container. And mix everything. Just shake it like that. Okay. Then you're gonna take your brush, the brush that you want to clean, and okay. Spray some of that in your brush, and I'm sure it's gonna be clean. So thanks for watching and hope you like this video. Bye, subscribe.